In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the demo company in Xero. This is a fantastic way for users to explore and familiarize themselves with the platform without affecting any live data. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to the Xero website. Open your web browser and type in xero.com in the address bar, and hit enter. This will bring you to Xero's homepage, where you can access a variety of features and log into your account. Once you're on the Xero website, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find the login button. It's easy to spot, usually noticeable for its placement on the navigation bar. Clicking this will navigate you to the login page. Now go ahead and click login. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you type in your email and password accurately to access your Xero account successfully. After entering your details, press the login button and wait a moment as you are redirected to your Xero homepage. With your Xero homepage open, your next step is to locate your profile. It's usually found in the top left corner of the page. Your profile serves as a quick access point to various account settings and management options within Xero. Click on your profile to open a drop-down menu. On this drop-down menu, you will see different options, and among them, you'll find the Demo Company Global. This feature allows you to explore and interact with Xero functionalities without impacting any of your actual data. It's really a fantastic tool, especially for new users who want to get a feel for the system or for seasoned users who might want to try out new features without making changes to their accounts. Once you've located the Demo Company Global option, click on it. This will take you to the Demo Company where you can explore as much as you like. Feel free to click through the various sections, view reports, and get hands-on experience with Xero's features. Remember, the changes you make here won't impact any of your live data, so it's a perfect sandbox environment for learning and experimenting, and that's it. You've now accessed the demo company in Xero. It's a wonderful way to become more familiar with the platform and to test various functionalities before applying them to your regular Xero account. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and happy exploring.